So today in Cook the Book, because Eid is approaching us, we are going to be making Khubani Ka Meetha. I have kind of changed it a little bit, which means I don't use a ready-made custard. I make my own. So that is what I'm going to be showing you today. So this needs 1 whole egg, 1 egg yolk, sugar and flour. Now all we have to do is whisk this together. We add to this pan 300 ml of milk. So we need a teaspoon of vanilla, just heated. And I'm going to add it to this mix here. Now just remember that this pan needs to be washed. If you don't wash this pan, this is all going to get burnt when you start cooking this custard. Now I'm just going to transfer this into this pan. On your spoon, when you draw a line like this and the liquid does not come back together easily, it means that this is done. Pour this in a clean bowl, keep stirring this. Now most apricots are really nice and sweet. This variety is really sweet. So I'm going to taste this and decide whether this needs a little more sugar or not. No, it's so good. I'm just going to cook it down. A cup of butter. We of course take out the seeds and we just put the apricot in it. So basically we're trying to cook this down. It takes its own sweet time. These are the kernels of apricot. Break them. This is what you get inside. I'm now going to take this off and put it into the fridge. This is my version. I learned the original from my friend Shaheen, but I have made a few changes to it. Here is a glass. Put this beautiful custard at the bottom. Drop the apricot. A little more custard. Over this, some fresh cream. Custard. And now, you remember these? That is what I'm going to be using as garnish. And this is my Khubani Ka Meetha. You take a nice, oh my god, I can't even explain to you how good this is. You just have to try it for yourself.